What's up, America? It's Jake Boyd here at Guaranty RV Supercenters in Junction City, Oregon. I'm here to talk to you today about this 293 RLDS 2020 Coachmen Apex. It is it's about 6,500 pounds dry. It's got a lot of features in this guy. Big front window, really lights it up inside with a lot of natural light. Let's walk around this, see some features, and I'll show you around. Apex does lightweight, low profile, so your ceiling's a little bit lower than some of the bigger guys, keeps the weight down. You have your big slam latched cross passage storage here. You have your solar on the side as well, so plug and play if you wanted to trickle charge those batteries and keep them fresh. As you notice, there's slide outs on both sides. So you have two opposing slide outs. It opens up the area inside quite a bit. Let's stay outside for just a bit. One of the things, so this is going to be your hosting trailer, your tailgating trailer. You're going to be the one where everyone's going to be coming to your place. You have an outdoor television, a little kicker fridge, as well as a canister grill outside, outdoor shower as well in this guy. And we head inside and we see how this opens up. There is a ton of space in here. You make use of it with this island countertop, which offers you quite a bit more storage all around, as well as if you wanted to bring some bar stools up against it and use it for some dining as well, it offers you the option too. You have big stainless steel sink, a nice hardware here for your faucet, your full stove and oven here, as well as your microwave. Some excellent prepping space beside and the counter space. I think these things are brilliant. Just slide them in there, flush them out here. Your prep becomes really, really easy. Big fridge, as well as another TV inside. It's really nicely laid out here too, because it's going to be facing all of your areas. And if you're lounging, you're watching television, you're relaxing, you're not kind of getting in anybody's way either. As if you're prepping dinner, you're in here, or if you're dining yourself, nobody's kind of stepping on anyone's toes. So you have two recliners off the rear, two recliners that are facing the television here. You have a electric fireplace that's going to really warm this place up, as well as all the bodies you're going to bring along and populate this area with as well. You have a bar right here as well, so there's a lot of extra space here. This is definitely an entertainer's trailer as well. Dining easily seats 4, converts into another bed, and that orientation right there, just fill in the gaps with those cushions, and you have another sleeper as well. Your shower is big. You have a sliding glass enclosure for your shower. I always like it when they're this big, so you can throw some elbows and not really hit any walls. You have your hooks and your medicine cabinet. And everything is really nicely appointed, so you can really feel like it's a really open space here. Always have your hooks for your bunch of people right off the bat. This is where you have that big window in the front in the bedroom. So you have not only underbed storage on either side, up top on both those doors, but you also have closet storage in here. A full-on wardrobe closet with not only hanging space, drawer space, but even like shoe boxes and stuff. You can just really pack a lot of stuff in here. So if you're going out to host, if you're going out for long trips, you just want some space to relax, for sure, this guy is going to be able to accommodate you in spades. If you have any questions about this rig or any other rig we have on lot, stop on by and say hello, or drop me a line, 773-655-7190.